Good morning, Phoebe and Wyatt. It's so lovely to have you in class today. Today I'm going to teach you about averages. So you should get, with your Unifix cubes, you need a stack of 4, 9, and 5.
Got it.
Okay, so what I want you to do, you're going to take these and you're going to see if you can make all 3 of them the same size.
What?
So you're going to manipulate them. So you're going to see if you can make them all the same size. So see if you can do that. You can move cubes from one pile to the next to see if you can make them all the same size.
What?
And when you have made them all the same size, let me know. And then once you have them all the same size, count them and tell me.
I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
All right. So how tall? Phoebe, how tall?
6.
You're okay. Wyatt? 6. Let's see if I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. You actually just used the Unifix cubes to find an average. Was that hard?
No.
No, it wasn't. So let me show you on paper what we did. We said 4 plus 9 plus 5. What's 4 plus 9 plus 5?
4 plus 5. 4 plus 9. 18.
Is 18. That's right. And then we took the 18 and we divided it by how many stacks did we have?
3.
3. And you just found out that 3 into 18 is what?
6.
6. The average of 4, 9, and 5 is 6. It's like the median number. Okay. All right, this time we're going to do one more. I want you to get a stack of 7, 3, 4, 6, and stand those kind of together. I think I have messed mine up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, Wyatt. Catch that, Wyatt.
Oh, man.
Okay. So I have a stack of 7, a stack of 3, a stack of 4, and a stack of 6. All right. So here's my 7, 3, 4, 6. I want you to do what you did last time and see if you can make them all the same height. You have to have 4 stacks though. So keep the 4 stacks, but see if you can. And then when you have it, raise your hand and tell me what's in each one.
I got it.
Remember, you have to keep 4 stacks.
I got it.
Okay, Wyatt, what'd you get?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5.
We just put 5 in one stack.
So Phoebe, I see what you did was you combined them into 3, but you have to keep them into 4 stacks. Right. They have to be in 4 stacks.
Extra stuff?
Nope, no extra stuff.
What?
You should have 4 of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got 5.
No, but now put the other ones into a stack.
Put the other one into a stack of 5.
So if I add 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6,
Okay,
what will if I add all of my blocks together, how many blocks do I have?
Let me add them. 1.
Raise your hand when you have the answer.
10, 20. 20.
Okay, we have 20. That's correct.
Okay, I can figure 20. Figure it out. Yeah.
So when we, Phoebe, watch this. When we divide 20, now how many stacks do we have?
4.
We divide 20 by 4. What do we get?
I don't know.
What was in each stack?
4, 5.
5.
Whoa.
So we go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So 4 into 20 is 5. You found the average of those 4 numbers. All right. Okay, here we have a pictograph there are 3 boys. These 3 boys are going fishing. You have Jim, Elvis, and Josh. And I want to know how many, on average.
My fish are horrible.
It's okay, mine too. On average, how many fish did they catch? So we have to find the average of these 3 numbers. So how many did Jim catch? Phoebe, how many did Jim catch?
5.
5. So I'm going to write that here. Wyatt, how many did Elvis catch?
7.
7. And Josh caught 3. So in order to find the average, what am I going to do with the numbers? First, I'm going to add all the numbers. What is 5 plus 7 plus 3? Someone.
What?
What is 5 plus 7 plus 3?
So 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15. Okay. And I have 15, and if I want to find the average, I'd have to divide by how many boys I have. How many boys do I have?
7. 3.
I have 3 boys. What is 3 into 15?
5.
It is 5. So on average, my average is actually 5. On average, the boys caught 5 fish apiece. Now that is not the literal, that is the average. So averages can be very helpful. Guess how I decide your grade?
Average it out.
I average it out. So let's go ahead. We're going to do someone's grades. We're going to average those. All right, here we have John. John has 4 test scores for this quarter. He has a 68, a 76, a 78, and an 88. Phoebe's going to come up here and she's going to find the total score. All right, I'm going to give you the orange marker. I'm going to put them here. All right. You're going to add those up for us. So she's adding all 4 scores. She's adding up 68, 76, 78, and 88. So she got 310. Let's check her adding. 3 eighths is 24 plus 6 is 30. She carried her 3. We have 14. 14 and 6 is 20. Plus 8, 28, 29, 30, 31. So she's correct. Good job. All right. Thank you, Phoebe. I appreciate that. So that is our total score. It's 310. Now we have to find the average score. So Wyatt, would you come up and find the average score?
Yep.
So how are we going to do that? How are we going to find the average? We added them, and now what are we going to do? After we add them, what are we going to do to find the average? We're going to divide. And how many are we going to divide by? Let's put it up here. How many scores do we have? 4. So we're going to divide 310 by 4. All right, you go ahead and do that. Okay, so Wyatt said that 4 into 310 is 77.5. So let's check his division. 4 into 31, 7 times 4 is 28. You subtract and get 3, bring down a 0. Okay, so we have 4 into 30 goes 7 times. We know that's 28. We subtract and we get 2, bring down a 0, and 4 into 20 is 5. So 77.5. So his average score then, as you can see, is sometimes going to have a decimal. Now, if you guys had 77.5, I would raise it up to a 78 because I always give you the benefit of the doubt, and I round up. So he would have a rounded score would have been a 78. All right, we're going to do a couple more. Okay, we have 3 girls, and they all have stamp collections. Sally has 36 stamps, Lily has 40, Mary has 38. So I want you to find the average, and then raise your hand when you have it. What was your answer, Phoebe?
38.
38. Why did you get an answer? Nope. Okay, let me know when you get an answer. Okay, we're going to do it and you check it. Okay? All right, we're going to check it. We're going to check it. Go. All right, so first to find the average, add the total number of stamps. So let's do that. 8 plus 6 is 14, carry your 1. 4 and 3 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many of you got 114 for your total? Okay. And now we have to divide by the number of girls.
I got 150 for my total. Well, then you did it wrong.
Well, you need to add again and see what you should have gotten was 114. Now, how many times will 3 go into 11? 3 times, and 3 times 3 is 9. We subtract, we get 2, and we bring down the 4. So how many times will 3 go into 24? Phoebe?
No. 7 times.
3 times 7 is 21. He's right, but this answer is what you told me. You had the answer right all along. The average of stamps that each girl had
down one because
was 38.
I would have to go down one on all of them.
So we have lengths of string, 1.4 meters, 1.8 meters, 2 meters. This doesn't have a decimal, but remember you have to line up decimals, so give it a decimal. 2.6 meters and 3.2 meters. So we're going to add those up to find the total length, and then we're going to have to divide to find their total average. So let me know when you have that total length. What did you get, Wyatt?
I got 22.
You got 22. All right, let's find out. Is that your total or your average?
My total average.
Your average? Okay, let's add these together. All right, I'm going to look for tens. I know that 6 and 4 make 10, and then 8 would be 18. So if 8 and 2 make 10 and 6 and 4 make 10, 10 and 10 is 20. I'm going to carry my 2. I'm going to say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So my total is 11.0. 11.0. And I'm going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to divide it by the number of strings. So 5 into 11.0. What did you say that was, Wyatt?
22.
Well, put your decimal in there.
2.2.
2.2. Let's see. 5 into 11 goes 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, bring down the 0. 5 into 10 is 2. All right. So 2.2 is the average length. 2.2 meters. All right. You guys are ready to do not only exercise 25, but exercise 26 as well.
No.